Welcome to my channel Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Forever isn't long enough with you. You are my once in a lifetime. Love begins with you, love. Actor for me. You are my sweetest addiction. Love is the most powerful force. You make my heart skip a beat. Love means choosing you every day. Love is a journey, not a destination. You are the missing piece of my heart. Love is simple, pure, and true. Your love is like a warm hug. The best love is unexpected. Love blooms like a rose in the heart. You are my sunshine and my sunflower. Love is the fragrance of the soul. Like flowers, love needs care to grow. Every flower is a love story waiting to bloom. You make my heart blossom. Love is the seed. Kindness is the water. Our love grows like a wildflower. You are the rose in my garden of life. Flowers whisper the language of love. You're the wildflower in my heart. A heart in love is a garden in bloom. Your love is my favorite bouquet. Flowers fade, but love remains. Love is not perfect, but it's real. My love for you never fades. Every second with you is precious. You are my beautiful destiny. Loving you is effortless. You are my heart's desire. Love is the music of the soul. You light up my world. Holding you feels like magic. Your love is my safe place. Together, we make a beautiful bouquet. You are my garden of happiness. Love, like flowers, brings joy.